For number 2 on the review, we need to come up with the 3 inequalities, the 3 equations that represent this triangle right here. So I named the 3 sides of the triangle because each one's going to be an equation. So let's look at side A first. It's always going to be lines, as in just a straight y equals mx plus b, like this right here. Now, to figure out for line A what the y-intercept is, we already know, right? It's right here at 6. So that means there's going to be a plus 6 on the end, because we got a y-intercept right here at 6. You can make a little dot at 6 right there. And then we got to figure out the slope by looking at how far up and over it's going every time from this dot to this dot. So how far up did we go? 1, 2, 3, 4. So up 4. And to the right, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 over 8. So the slope is 4 over 8, which is 1 over 2. So the slope is 1/2 x. Y equals 1/2 x plus 6. And if you look, below this line is where it shades. So it'd be less than or equal to. Y is less than or equal to 1/2 x plus 6 would be my answer. See, because this is a solid line, and the shading is below it. 1/2 x plus 6. All right. The next one I'm going to look at is B. And B is going to be trickier because I'm looking at line B right here, this line, and it doesn't cross the y-axis where I can see what the y-intercept is, but I can make it cross by just continuing and figuring out the slope first. So let's delete this real quick. Let's look at this slope right here. I'm going to start from here and go down to here. I'm going down how many? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down 6. So that was for line A. For line B, I'm going down 6 and then right 3. So 6 over 3, down 6 is negative, so it's -2 is the slope. So I'm going to do that again. Down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and to the right 1, 2, 3, and there's where it hits. So I'm going to continue that line so I can see where it hits the y-axis. It's at -9, so it's at -9, right? So the y-intercept is at -9, and the slope is at -2. So for B, the slope is -2, and the y-intercept is -9. So it would be y is, and this, if you go to a point, it's like above it. So it's y is greater than or equal to -2x minus 9. A little bit tricky there because it didn't cross the y-axis, so you had to like continue the line until it hit the y-axis to see where the y-axis is, where the y-intercept is. And the last one is C, and on C, the y-intercept would be what? It crosses right here at 1, 2, 3. So it crosses at 3. So plus 3 would be the y-intercept. And the slope is, let's see how far up and over this thing's going in between lines. It looks like it's going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So up 10, and then over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And to the right 5. So it's 10 over 5, which is 2. So it's y. And which way do you go to get to it? Is it greater than, less than? You go up to shade. So it's y is greater than or equal to 2x plus 3, because that's a positive 2 slope. All right, so that's how you find the three equations from a triangle like that.